So, Fluxes & Co. is basically presented as an online store, but I couldn't find enough reliable independent information about the business to confidently recommend it. And that's already something I'd keep in mind before buying. The biggest question is whether the products, shipping, and customer service actually match what the website promises. With lesser-known stores that have a limited independent footprint, it's harder to verify the quality and real customer experience. I'd also look closely at the return policy, company information, payment methods, and whether there are genuine reviews outside the website itself. A professional-looking store doesn't automatically mean you're dealing with an established retailer. So, is Fluxes & Co. a scam? I wouldn't make that claim without stronger evidence, but I also wouldn't buy purely based on the marketing. I'd verify the business first and use a payment method that gives you buyer protection. Overall, there's simply not enough independent information here for me to say, go ahead and buy. I'd do some research before handing over your money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.